the North deck. That Atlas. I got the Novus one because it's 5.5 wide and it's 23 long. This is the unboxing for it. There will be a review of me riding it for the next month coming soon. No, why won't it? Oh. Comes with a brake, which I'm not gonna use. Oh my god, this thing's big. Comes with Allen keys, which I don't need. Jeez. This thing is nice. I don't want to hurt it, ruin it. There it is. Fully flat bottom. 23 long. I'm gonna take this brake off. Like I said before. Graphic on the bottom. Looking sick. 5.5 by 23, like it says on the bottom. Then it says Novus, and then it says Atlas on this side. It has a cutout, and I've seen on the North Instagram people go like that and finger whip it. But it does, looks like it has a little crook room. You can't see it that well, but there's like a little dip right there. But yeah, that's the North deck. Unboxing. And I'll get my booter down here. Put this thing on. This is gonna be sick. Old deck. That worked. Now, the new deck. That's huge compared to this. The main difference is the flat bottom and the cutout, and of course this is 5.5. So this deck will actually be going to Eli. He will be using it.
Perfect.